In the heart of the dense forest, the striking silhouette of a peacock graces the landscape. Known scientifically as Pavo cristatus, the peacock is renowned for its iridescent plumage. The male, or peacock, is most famous for its long, vibrant tail feathers, which are often spread out in a magnificent fan during courtship displays. These feathers boast intricate patterns of eye-like spots, shimmering in hues of blue, green, and gold. Peacocks are native to South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka. They thrive in both wild forests and cultivated gardens. The females, called peahens, lack the extravagant tail, but possess a more subdued beauty with their brown and green plumage, which aids in camouflage. Despite the sexual dimorphism, both genders share a characteristic crest of feathers on their heads. Aside from their visual splendor, peacocks are also known for their distinctive calls, which can carry for long distances through their habitats. These birds are omnivorous, feeding on a diet that includes seeds, insects, fruits, and small reptiles. Their strong legs make them excellent runners, though they are also capable of short flights to escape predators or roost in trees. The breeding season for peacocks sees the males performing elaborate dances, shaking their tail feathers and making loud calls to attract females. After mating, the peahen lays a clutch of eggs in a nest on the ground, typically hidden among dense vegetation. She incubates the eggs and, upon hatching, cares for the chicks, which are precocial and able to follow their mother almost immediately. Culturally, peacocks hold significant symbolism. In Hindu mythology, they are associated with the god Krishna and are considered sacred. Their feathers are used in various rituals and are a symbol of beauty and grace. Historically, they have also been a symbol of immortality and resurrection in many cultures, partly due to the renewal of their plumage. Peacocks have also been kept as ornamental birds in gardens and estates around the world, valued for their beauty and their role in pest control, as they eat many harmful insects. Despite their grandeur, peacocks are susceptible to predators such as leopards, tigers, and large birds of prey. Conservation efforts have helped maintain their populations, though habitat loss and hunting have impacted their numbers in the wild. The peacock is a bird of extraordinary beauty and cultural significance, whose vivid plumage, courtship displays, and resonant calls make it a fascinating subject of admiration and study. Beyond their remarkable appearance, peacocks possess unique behavioral traits. One such trait is their practice of dust bathing, which helps them maintain the health of their feathers by removing parasites. These birds are also known for their strong social structure, often forming loose flocks outside the breeding season. Within these groups, peacocks establish a hierarchy, with dominant males typically securing the best territories for displaying their plumage. Peafowl, the collective term for these birds, exhibit a notable adaptability to various environments. While they prefer deciduous forests and scrublands, they are also found in agricultural areas and even urban settings where they can scavenge for food. This adaptability extends to their diet as well. In addition to their omnivorous tendencies, they are opportunistic feeders, sometimes eating small mammals and amphibians when available. Their vocalizations are not limited to mating calls. Peafowl have a range of sounds for different purposes, including alarm calls that alert other birds to potential danger. These alarm calls are so effective that other species often heed them, showcasing an interspecies communication network in their habitat. The physical strength of peacocks is evident in their powerful wings and legs. Although not built for sustained flight, they can leap to considerable heights to escape threats. Their roosting habits involve perching in tall trees at night, which provides safety from ground-based predators. In addition to their natural habitat, peafowl have played roles in human culture beyond ornamental purposes. They appear in art, folklore, and literature across various civilizations. For example, in ancient Greece, the peacock was associated with Hera, the queen of the gods, and was depicted in numerous myths and artworks. Conservation efforts for peafowl have been implemented in several regions to protect them from the dangers of habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Protected areas and wildlife reserves in countries like India have become crucial sanctuaries for these birds, allowing their populations to thrive. Intriguingly, genetic studies have shown that peafowl have a complex evolutionary history. with distinct genetic variations observed across different populations. This genetic diversity is essential for their adaptability and resilience in the face of environmental changes. Overall, the peacock's vibrant existence extends far beyond its physical beauty. From their intricate social structures and diverse diet to their significant cultural impact and adaptability, peafowl represent a fascinating blend of nature's splendor and resilience. Peafowl exhibit intriguing reproductive strategies, including the phenomenon known as lekking. In a lek, males gather in a specific area to perform courtship displays, allowing females to choose their mates based on the quality of their displays and physical attributes. This form of mating competition leads to intense rivalry among males and ensures that only the most fit individuals reproduce. Beyond their dazzling feathers, peafowl possess remarkable vision. Their eyes are adapted to detect a broad spectrum of colors, including ultraviolet light. This enhanced vision likely plays a role in their social interactions and mate selection, as it allows them to perceive subtle variations in plumage that are invisible to humans. In terms of their anatomy, peafowl have a unique skeletal structure that supports their impressive tail feathers. The vertebrae in their tails are specially adapted to bear the weight and facilitate the display of these large feathers. Additionally, the arrangement of muscles and ligaments enables the rapid and controlled fanning of their tails during courtship rituals. The coloration of peafowl plumage is not solely due to pigments, but also results from structural coloration. Microscopic structures within the feathers interfere with light, creating the iridescent effect that makes their feathers appear to change color depending on the angle of light. Peafowl are also known for their longevity. In the wild, they can live up to 20 years, while those in captivity, provided with proper care, can reach even greater ages. Their long lifespan allows them to participate in numerous breeding seasons, contributing to the stability of their populations. Behaviorally, peafowl demonstrate a high degree of territoriality. Males often defend specific areas, using their displays not only to attract females, but also to ward off rival males. This territorial behavior is essential for maintaining social order within their groups. Their ecological role is significant as well. By foraging on a variety of insects and small animals, peafowl help control pest populations, contributing to the balance of their ecosystems. Moreover, their movements through different habitats can aid in seed dispersal, promoting plant diversity and growth. Despite their grandeur, peafowl face threats from habitat fragmentation and human encroachment. Conservationists emphasize the importance of preserving natural habitats and creating corridors that allow for genetic exchange between isolated populations, ensuring their long-term survival. Historically, peafowl have been symbols of wealth and status. During the Roman Empire, they were imported and kept in luxurious estates as symbols of opulence. In medieval Europe, peafowl meat was considered a delicacy, often served at banquets to showcase the host's affluence. In modern times, peafowl continue to captivate people, often featured in zoos and aviaries where visitors can appreciate their beauty and behavior up close. Educational programs about peafowl can raise awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation and the need to protect these stunning birds and their habitats. Through their unique adaptations, diverse behaviors, and rich cultural significance, peafowl continue to be a source of fascination and admiration. Their existence highlights the intricate connections within ecosystems and the enduring allure of the natural world.